Hey, did you get anything from Coach yet?
Not yet. Wait, yeah. He said make sure you bring sneakers.
Ugh.
Should we wake her?
Nah.
Maximum temperature today near 45 degrees. A text front is expected within the next
Whoa,
half
it's
hour.
really coming down
Some areas will
now.
experience the worst. Lowest relative humidity near 78%. Expect 13 hours of partly cloudy skies with a few text fronts here and there. Average winds will be northeast at 8 miles per hour during the afternoon and northeast at 10 miles per hour during the evening. Be sure to keep an eye out for text squalls west of the city. Text squalls will come suddenly. Be sure to drive safe.
Oh my god!
Well, that was close.
Alright, everything away now.
The text front seems to have shifted and is passing over us. Looks like clear skies for the rest of the day.